everyone, welcome to Ocean of Formulas. In today's video, we are going to learn fraction addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we will start with fraction addition now. Now let's start with the first problem. Here we have 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. So we will start with the denominators first. We will multiply 3 with 2. So 3 multiplied by 2. Now we will apply the butterfly method. So we will multiply 2 with 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 plus we will multiply 3 with 1. So 3 multiplied by 1. So we have 2 multiplied by 1, 2. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. Divide by 3 2 is 6. So we got our answer 5 by 6. Similarly, we will apply the same method on the second problem. So we will multiply the denominators first. So 7 multiplied by 3. Now we will apply the butterfly method here. So 3 multiplied by 2 plus 7 multiplied by 1. So 3 2s are 6, 7 1s are 7, divide by 7 3s are 21. So we got our answer 13 by 21. Simple, isn't it? Now we will move to our next topic, which is fraction subtraction. So what we did for fraction addition, we will apply the same method here in fraction subtraction. So let's start with our first problem. So here we will multiply denominators, 2 multiplied by 3. Now we will apply the same butterfly method here. So we will multiply 3 with 1, 3 multiplied by 1, minus we will multiply 2 with 1. So 2 multiplied by 1. 3 1s are 3, minus 2 1s are 2, divide by 3 2s are 6. So we got our answer 1 by 6. The same method we will apply on the second problem. So let's start with the denominators, 6 and 2. So we will multiply 6 with 2. Now we will apply the butterfly method. So 5 multiplied by 2 minus 6 multiplied by 1. 5 2s are 10, minus 6 1s are 6, divide by 6 2s are 12. So 10 minus 6, that is 4, divide by 12, which we can write it as 4 divide by 4 3s are 12. So we got our answer 1 by 3. Simple, right? Now let's move to our next topic, which is fraction multiplication. Fraction multiplication, it's so easy. You just need to multiply denominator with denominator and numerator with numerator. So here in first example, we will multiply 3 and 2, and in the numerator we will multiply 1 with 1. So we got our answer 1 by 6. Similarly, for the second example, we will multiply the denominators 7 multiplied by 8, and we will multiply the numerators 2 multiplied by 1. Now we will simplify it. 2 4s are 8. So we got our answer 1 by 28. Simple, right? Now let's move to our last topic, which is fraction division. Fraction division is as simple as fraction multiplication. It's just that you need to follow one simple trick. So let's start solving first problem. So first of all, we will write 1 by 3. Instead of division sign, we will write multiplication sign. And the fraction which is present after division sign, we will take the reciprocal. Reciprocal means reverse of it. So instead of 1 by 2, we will write 2 by 1. Now we will apply the same method what we learned for fraction multiplication. So we will multiply 1 with 2 and 3 with 1. So we got our answer 2 by 3. We will apply the same method on the second problem. So here we will write 1 by 8. Instead of division sign, we will write multiplication sign. And we will take the reciprocal of 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3. Now we will simplify it 2 4s. So we got our answer 1 by 12. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.